How to link Wealthfront to ETRADE. Follow my instructions. If you want to move money between Wealthfront and ETRADE, you need to link the accounts securely. This is usually done through account bridging. Here's how to do it. Start by logging into your ETRADE account. Go to Accounts, then select Transfer Money or External Accounts. Choose Add External Account. Now enter your Wealthfront account details. You'll need the account number and Wealthfront's routing number, which is usually listed in your Wealthfront app under Transfer or Funding Accounts. Follow the prompts to verify ownership. In most cases, ETRADE will send 2 small test deposits to your Wealthfront account. Wait 1 to 2 business days, then return to ETRADE to confirm the deposit amounts. Once verified, the link is active. You can now transfer funds between ETRADE and Wealthfront directly. Transfers may take 1 to 3 business days depending on the method you choose. That's how to link your Wealthfront and ETRADE accounts the right way. Thanks for watching.